Hi everyone, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of Valentine's Day / date night outfit ideas, and I think these are perfect for whether you're actually going out on a date, whether you're hanging out with your girlfriends, seeing a movie with your mom, whatever it may be. And since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I did want to play with some fun colors and patterns, and I'm definitely all for wearing red and pink for Valentine's Day. I don't think it's cheesy. I think as long as you put a special, like, unique to you type of twist on it, I think you can put together a really fantastic outfit. So that's what I sort of attempted to do, and I hope it gives you guys some ideas. Let's just get into it, and I hope you guys enjoy.
If I go out on a limb, and if I wait a little longer, if I held you to your word, then where would I be? If I looked a little closer, what would I see? I'm just asking 'cause I wanted to know where you're going, 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 and go. Before you go, do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. If you keep me in the dark, keep me waiting on an answer. And if I look like I am crazy, then you're my foe. I just go around in circles, evolve around you. I'm just saying 'cause I wanted to know where you're going and going and going and go. Before I go, do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Well, it's time to let me know, 'cause I asked you long ago. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? Cool with keeping on the low, we're taking it slow, but if you never have a goal, then how would you know? Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. If I go out on a limb, and if I wait a little longer, if I held you to your word, then where would I be? If I looked a little closer, what would I see? I'm just asking 'cause I wanted to know where you're going, 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 and go. Before you go, do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man. Do you want a man? Do you want a man? I could be your man.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you did. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and let me know any other videos you'd like to see from me. And otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.